Okay, while waiting, we can build the services for this one. So we're going to close the tabs first, and then we're going to go in the Java directory, and then here at the root package com that food delivery that customer, we're going to add new package, and we're going to name it as services, and then we'll have as well the a new package inside the root element. Root package would be uh, oat. Then we'll have this a new class inside the oat folder or oat package as local oat. Then we're going to have the context, and then we'll have to have a constructor injecting the values of this context, and then we're going to create a public void login, and then this one. So we're going to change this later. We'll just need to add first the model. So here at the root package, we're going to add a new package as well for models, and then we'll add the users. Okay. Now we're going to use Loombook for our project. So um, we're going to add that one. Loombook. uh, We're going to copy this one, and then here to build that cradle, we'll add it to the test implementation. Then the compile only will replace it to implementation as well. Then annotation processor, uh, let's just leave it at ease. And then we're going to sync now. Okay, so now it's done downloading the Loombook library. We're going to add an annotation at data, and then we'll have the string email, string password, then also as well as string user ID. Now we will pass the users as well here. Users. Then now we're going to create an custom interface. So inside the same root package, we're going to add a new package naming interfaces. And then we'll add a Java class interface simple listener. So as the name suggests, it will be a simple listener for any request. So we'll have a default void on success, then a comment default implementation. So what happens to this one is that it whenever someone wants to implement the simple listener, we will not require it to implement the default the on success, but we will be requiring it to um, implement error. So what happens is in the local out, we're going to pass that as well. So simple listener. and then listener here. So we'll go back to the documents for the Firebase auth. We're going to um, call the Firebase auth this like this way. So we're going to have it on the global here, Firebase auth, then auth. Then here we're going to Firebase auth that get instance, and then we're going to have the we're not yet going to create a user, but we're going to sign in, create a sign in first. So let's have this one. So let's have the it here in the login. So auth that's sign in with email and password. So users that get email, users that get password, that new um, password, that add on success listener. So meaning it got successful, and add on failure listener. And then let's try don't complete. Yeah, let's change this instead of add on success. Add on complete. Then if task is successful, we're going to call the on success, else we're calling error, then new exception, something happened. Then let's do the same here, but we're going to pass the E. Then we're going to make this as a lambda, so replace with lambda. Alt enter, replace with lambda. So we have now a class providing the local auth login. So here at our login activity, we can call that inside the btn login set on click listener at the else statement. So we're going to call it at the global. So we have local auth, and then let's have init values or simply init. So let's have init initialize. We're going to create a method initialize, and then auth is equals to local auth login activity that dist sorry, new local auth. Yeah, this one. Then we'll have auth that sign in, I log in. Then we'll be creating a users here, user, new user, users that set email, users that set password, and then we're going to add the users, and then new simple listener. Then we're having the toast here, uh, wrong username or password. Then let's going to check if it's the exception is not equal to null, and then we're going to log it. So log that e error login e dot get message. And we're going to also override the unsuccessed. So let's have a toast here, and then we'll have login successfully. So that's it for this video. At the next video tutorial, will be um, touching down the create account. So